Have you ever looked at a squirrel burying a nut and wondered, what's really going on in that little head? Or watched a flock of birds move as one and thought, how do they do that? The animal kingdom is a world of wonder, a realm of secrets hidden in plain sight. We see animals every day, but how much do we truly understand about their lives, their intelligence, their emotions? Today we're peeling back the layers of fur, feathers, and scales to venture into the wild within. We'll uncover the astonishing secrets of the animal kingdom, from their intricate social lives to their mind-bending survival strategies. Get ready to see the world around you in a whole new way. Let's start with something we can all relate to. Communication. Humans use language, but animals have their own complex ways of talking. Take bees, for example. When a forager bee finds a great patch of flowers, it doesn't just keep the good news to itself. It flies back to the hive and performs a special waggle dance. This isn't just a happy jiggle, it's a sophisticated set of instructions. The angle of the dance tells other bees the direction of the flowers relative to the sun, and the duration of the waggle tells them how far away it is. It's like a living, dancing GPS, a perfect example of how animals share vital information. And it's not just bees. Prairie dogs have one of the most complex languages ever observed in animals. They have different alarm calls not just for different predators like hawks, coyotes, or snakes, but they can even describe the color of a human's shirt, or if they are carrying a weapon. It's a level of detail that challenges our very definition of language. Now, let's talk about something truly extraordinary: animal intelligence and problem solving. We often measure intelligence by human standards, but the animal kingdom has its own geniuses. Crows and other corvids are the Einsteins of the bird world. They can use tools, solve complex multi-step puzzles, and even understand physics concepts like water displacement. A crow will drop stones into a tube of water to raise the level and grab a floating treat. This isn't just instinct, it's genuine problem solving, understanding cause and effect in a way that's truly remarkable. And what about octopuses? These masters of disguise are also incredible escape artists. They've been known to unscrew jar lids from the inside, navigate mazes, and even sneak out of their tanks to visit other aquariums for a midnight snack. Their ability to learn and adapt shows a level of cognitive function that rivals many mammals. They prove that intelligence isn't limited to creatures with backbones. Beyond clever tricks, the animal world is filled with deep social and emotional bonds that might surprise you. Elephants are a perfect example. They live in tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, and their connections run deep. When a member of the herd passes away, the others mourn. They will gently touch the bones with their trunks, stand vigil for days, and even return to the site years later. This suggests a powerful sense of memory, grief, and family connection. It's not just the giants either. Wolves, often portrayed as lone hunters, live in complex family packs with deep emotional ties. They play together, care for the sick and elderly, and howl not just to mark territory, but to communicate with and locate their family members. These aren't just survival instincts. They are expressions of a rich emotional life, a sense of community that many of us would recognize in our own lives. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping secrets lie in the realm of survival. Nature is a tough place, and animals have evolved some truly mind-bending strategies to stay alive. Consider the mimic octopus. This incredible creature doesn't just change color, it changes its shape and behavior to impersonate other more dangerous animals. It can flatten itself to look like a venomous flatfish, trail its arms to mimic a sea snake, or bunch up to look like a lionfish. It's the ultimate actor with a repertoire of characters to fool any predator. Then there's the immortal jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right. Immortal. When this tiny jellyfish gets old or injured, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, and start its life cycle all over again. It's like a real-life reset button, a biological secret to eternal youth that scientists are still trying to fully understand. These adaptations show how life, in its endless creativity, finds a way not just to survive, but to thrive against all odds. From the intricate dance of a bee to the profound grief of an elephant, the animal kingdom is so much more than what we see on the surface. It's a world of complex languages, brilliant minds, deep emotions, and ingenious survival tactics. Each creature, no matter how big or small, holds a secret, a unique story of evolution and existence. They remind us that we are just one part of a vast and interconnected web of life, a web filled with wonder, intelligence, and mystery. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know, and how much more there is to discover. The wild isn't just out there in distant jungles and oceans. It's in the park, in your backyard, in the very air we breathe. So the next time you see a spider spinning its web or a bird building its nest, take a moment to pause and appreciate the hidden genius at work. Think about the millions of years of evolution that led to that single perfect action. By seeking to understand the wild within these animals, we can't help but learn more about the world and our own place in it. There are countless more secrets waiting to be uncovered, and the journey of discovery is just beginning. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the animal kingdom. If you were as amazed as I was by these incredible creatures, please hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the natural world. And I'd love to hear from you. What's the most amazing animal secret you know? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.